Good morning. My name is Marjon. I was member of Group 3 and I was tasked to do the lab exercise number 2, creating a web server where I was the one who will do the program for create your own web server application using all the components used in the lab exercise. Now at the demonstration, I will be going to upload the code to the ESP32. Okay. After the uploading was finished, it connected to my router named HMD Pulse Pro and I put the password there as you can see here in the code. Then here is my code. This part is where you can find the sequence of LEDs. And this part is for the melody, where what you can choose the melody that the buzzer will sound. And this is the main loop containing all the arguments to run the code. And that's all. And here is the web server. It is said that we should connect to the URL of 192.168 207 and 48. So after that, I will go to just remove the plate too, so that we can start. It started at stop. Then I'm going to click the play. Okay. Then I will choose the second option. Let's try it again. Then I will choose the third option. The fourth option. And finally, the last option, play 5. Okay, let's try it again. Thank you for watching.